In this video, I will show you how to delete history in Chrome browser on both mobile and PC. If you are using a mobile device, you can forward it or you will find a timestamp in the description below. Just click on it. And if you are using a PC, you can follow the steps from here. First, you need to open Chrome browser, then click on three dot at the right top corner. Here you will see a history option below. Move your cursor over it. Here you will see history option again on the left side. Click on it. Then you will see an interface like this where you will find some options on the left. Simply click on delete browsing data. Here in time range option, you can select any time period for deleting history. If you want to delete history from the last hour, select last hour option, or you can adjust the settings according to your preference. If you want to delete all history, select all time. Whatever time period you select, all the history from that period will be deleted. Here I will keep the last hour option selected and untick cache images and files and cookies and other sites data. If you also want to delete them, you can leave them ticked. Now, when I click on delete data, all the history from the last hour will be deleted. As you can see, the browsing history I had earlier is now completely deleted. Similarly, you can easily do yourself. For mobile, first open Chrome browser on your phone, then tap on three dot here and click on settings. Search for privacy and security, tap on delete browsing data. Here you can select time range according to your preference. For example, I want to delete all history from the last hour. I will select last hour here. Here I will anti-cache images and files and cookies and other size data. If you want to delete them as well, you can leave them ticked. Now click on delete data. Now your browsing history has been deleted based on the time range you selected. I hope this helped you find your solution. If did it, you can like the video, and if you have any issues, feel free to leave a comment below.